Hello dear students, today I am going to introduce about quadrilaterals and their kinds. In your previous classes you might have read about triangles and its properties and different types of angles, angle sum property. So now I am going to represent about the quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure in which the sum of its interior angles is 360 degree. So if we take A, B, C, D as a quadrilateral, so all its interior angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. This is the property of quadrilateral. Now talking about its different kinds. So different kinds of quadrilateral. First is trapezium. Now see the figure. In all the four figures, different arrows are marked. These arrow marked sides are parallel sides. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral having four sides with one pair of sides as parallel and other two sides are non-parallel sides. This forms a trapezium. Now second kind is a kite. Now see this figure A, B, C, D. You might have seen kite. It is the same form of kite here. It is a special type of quadrilateral having four sides and two consecutive pairs of sides. Now see AB and AC. These are the pairs of sides. These pairs of sides are equal. Like same wise BD and CD. These are two consecutive sides. These two sides are of equal length. This is a special quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to CD. This is the quadrilateral. Now, another property of this kite is its diagonals are perpendicular. See here, this AD is perpendicular to this BC and this BC is perpendicular to AD, and one of the diagonal bisect at 90 degree in this special quadrilateral. See this AD divides BC in two equal parts. This part and this part. These two parts are equal. Next is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. See the figure. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. We can call it a parallelogram when its AB and CD are equal and parallel and AD and BC are also equal and parallel. And here the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at some intersection point. Next is rhombus. Rhombus is again a special type of parallelogram having all the four sides equal and all the four sides are equal. See this A, B, C, D is a rhombus in which opposite sides are parallel and also these are equal, that is AB is equal to AC is equal to CD is equal to BD. Here the diagonals AD and BC bisect each other at 90 degree, that is at right angle. This is the beautiful property of rhombus. Next we come to rectangle. A rectangle is again a parallelogram with all angles of 90 degree. So this property you have already read in your earlier classes in 6th, 7th. Now also opposite sides are parallel and equal in length in case of rectangle. Here also the diagonals bisect each other. So angle A, B, C, D all are of 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, that is AB is equal to CD and AB is parallel to CD. AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC, and also this diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Next is a square. Now here you note it, a square is a rectangle with all equal sides. A square is a rectangle with all equal sides, equal diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other also at right angles. This was not in the case of rectangle. Here in the case of square, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. This is the beautiful property of square. Now, as I have told, square is a rectangle. A square can also be called as a rhombus because all its four sides are equal. It is also a parallelogram A, B, C, D in which all the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel also. All the four angles are of 90 degree. And here this diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD, and these diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree.